And today, just weeks after reporting weaker than expected profits, Target says it will now voluntarily take another hit by marking down unwanted merchandise. NewsNation's Paul Gerke is live outside of a Target. And Paul, is today's announcement from the retailer worrying investors?
Yeah, at least a little bit, Nichole. Target's stock price at one point today dipped as low as 7%. It closed the day on a bit more of an up note, down about 2.4%. Its CEO said it was important to be prudent about this, to get out in front of this issue. What you need to know can be distilled into a single sentence. There's about to be a big sale, and in a time where it seems like everything is costing more, that's no small thing. Target is going to start marking down unwanted items, canceling orders, and aggressively trying to shed its extra inventory. They had a little more than $15 billion worth of inventory at the end of the fiscal first quarter, so around the end of April. That's 43% more than they had just a year ago, and that's a problem, especially as consumer tastes are changing rapidly. You see, people don't want the same stuff that they wanted during the pandemic. And as inflation rages, we're being choosy about the way we spend our extra money. So Target is making a shrewd move to cut losses now to try to get back on track. They're starting to get rid of pandemic-adjacent categories of merchandise and shifting to things consumers want now, things like groceries, beauty items, household essentials, and seasonal items like school supplies, while getting rid of the stuff we got used to wearing during the pandemic, like the athleisure attire or the variety mixed set of masks, things like that, Nichole.
All right, so no more of those stay-at-home sweats. So, Paul, is this just a Target problem, or are other retailers dealing with it as well?
That's a good question, Nichole. It is an industry-wide problem, although it seems like Target is wearing the egg on its face a lot more recently. Just last month, they missed their first quarter projections by a huge margin. The stock fell by more than 20% in a single day. Its worst day on Wall Street in more than 3 decades. That said, though, this is affecting the other big boys, too, most notably Walmart. Customers being more discretionary with their purchases, according to the Walmart Corporation. Gap and other clothing retailers also noticing a shift away from that comfy pandemic attire and a shift back to more work-appropriate attire, dress clothes, things like that. That's also creating some similar inventory issues for them, and it's just as they were starting to get restocked after seemingly endless supply chain issues, and as luck would have it, now tastes are moving away from the things that they were finally getting in their storerooms.
Yeah, well, it could be a win for some consumers, at least on some items. Okay, Paul, thank you. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.